Hi folks, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import your Gmail or Outlook calendars into your digital PDF planner using ZoomNotes and the Apple Calendar app. So it's really easy to add a Google Calendar or an Outlook calendar to your digital PDF planner. All you need to do is make sure that you are signed into your Hotmail or your Gmail account on your iPad, and then you can use the Apple Calendar to pull all the accounts together, kind of act like a central hub. So all you need to do is go to your settings on your iPad and find the Apple Calendar application, and then you can click on Accounts, and then you can see there I've got my Outlook and my Gmail calendars already set up. Now my Outlook calendar does not show up because I can't remember my password, and so the account isn't authenticated. But if it was, you could see all of my mail and contacts would not be grayed out there. So if we look at my Gmail is logged in, so it's got access, the Apple Calendar has got access to that account. So just make sure you've got those toggled on. If you need to sign in to a new account, you just click Add Account, and then you can go and choose whichever provider you need, so Outlook, Google, Yahoo, AOL, etc. And then you simply use your login details to sign into your email account. When you've done that, just go down to ZoomNotes and double check that you've given it access to your calendars. So you can see I've got my reminders switched on and it has full access to my calendar. So if it doesn't, you just need to go in and make sure that the full access is ticked. Now you can go to ZoomNotes, you can open your planner, and you can now choose which calendars are going to show up. So if you go up to the top logo here, the ZoomNotes one, you need to make sure that under the calendar drop down, the calendar is enabled. Toggle that one on, because if you toggle it off, none of your events will show up. And then underneath it says configure events. You just need to click on that one. Make sure that under events you've got show events toggled on. And then if you scroll down a bit further, you've got this section here which says show events from calendars. So this is where you can go and choose which calendars to use. So if you click all, it will literally pull all of your calendars in. If you say selected, you can then go into your either monthly, weekly or daily calendars and choose which ones are going to show up. So you can see, like I said before, I didn't have my Outlook calendar logged in, so that one doesn't appear here, but my Gmail is right there. So you can just choose which calendars you want or have them all selected if you would like. And that's about it. Super easy. I really hope this has helped, and do feel free to ask if you have any questions.